Wood furniture has been a staple in homes for centuries due to its durability, beauty, and versatility. A well-curated collection can transform a space, adding warmth, character, and a touch of nature. Popular wood types for furniture. Oak, known for its strength, durability, and light color, oak is a popular choice for furniture. It can be finished in various ways, from natural to stained. Walnut, with its rich, dark color and grain patterns, walnut adds a touch of luxury to any room. It's often used for high-end furniture pieces. Maple, maple is a lighter wood with a fine grain, offering a clean and classic look. It's often used for modern and contemporary furniture designs. Cherry, this hardwood has a warm, reddish-brown color and a fine grain. It's a popular choice for traditional and transitional furniture styles. Teak, teak is a tropical hardwood known for its durability, resistance to weather, and natural oil content. It's often used for outdoor furniture and furniture with a rustic aesthetic. Furniture styles and collections. Modern, clean lines, minimalist designs, and natural finishes characterize modern wood furniture. Traditional, classic styles, ornate details, and rich finishes are common in traditional wood furniture. Rustic, natural wood finishes, distressed surfaces, and heavy, chunky designs are hallmarks of rustic furniture. Mid-century modern, this style blends modern and traditional elements, featuring clean lines, tapered legs, and warm wood tones. Scandinavian, simple, functional designs, light-colored woods, and a focus on comfort are key features of Scandinavian furniture.